Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to do any makeup tutorial but a review, and that review is on Makeup Revolution Chilled with Cannabis Sativa. And I guess I don't have to tell you what is Cannabis Sativa, okay? So you can imagine from this leafy structures on this palette. So I will be reviewing on this. Now I got this palette from the Nykaa website. It took me about 1850 rupees, and I had some previous discounts and coupons, so it took me something less. It is the new launch, so I don't think it will be on discount soon. But yeah, you can also buy it from hookmakeup.com and also their own website, which is Makeup Revolution, their own website, you know what I mean. So the eyeshadow palette came in like this. It has a plastic covering like this, and on top the name of the palette, which is Chilled with Cannabis Sativa, written, and on the back side the details of the palette is written, weight, expiry date, price, etc, etc. Now coming to the palette, it looks like this. Let me open. It has a full-sized mirror on this side. Also it has a plastic covering like this on top of that to prevent the eyeshadow smearing on the mirror. Here it is. Colors of green. But they were not greens, there's some browns, shimmer, nude shades and glitters like golden shades, and also a silver shade. But you can achieve a lot of green eye look with this single palette. Now I'm going to swatch this Candyland first. Can you see? And then this natural. The pigment is nice, and this bud is my favorite one. Oh my god. And also the silver hybrid one. I like it. So yeah, all of the colors are pretty much good. The pigment is not strong enough. You can see the difference. This one is from Gemstones palette, and this one is from this Chilled with Cannabis Sativa palette. So the pigmentation is not up to the mark if you have used the Morphe or any high-end brands or like that, but it is moderate enough for daily purpose or comparing the budget, I guess. If you have used any pigmented palette before, this palette is not going to satisfy you. However, I think this palette is buildable. I haven't tried this palette yet, but I will definitely try and let you know if this is buildable or not. So I have done my whole face makeup, and I have also tried to keep the whole look neutral so that all of my focus goes on my eyes only. So you can see the pigmentation is really good, and I have not applied any eye primer or concealer, so that the actual pigmentation without any primer, without any extra beneficiary helps, it looks. So I'm quite satisfied with the eyeshadow palette. And I will also mention all the colors I have used, so that if you want to try this look, you can go ahead. So on my outer and inner corner, I have used the shade Leafy. Then on the both corners, to highlight the intensity of my face and eye structure, I have used the shade Cool. And then I have used my favorite shade from this palette, which is Candyland, on the top of my eyelid. And here it looks. Lastly, I have not used any eyeliner today. Instead of eyeliner, I have used this burn shade, a thin eyeliner, you can see on this corner. And similarly, I have used the whole set of colors on my lower lash as well. Lastly, to pop out my inner corner, I have used the shade Calm, this one, on my inner corner. And I have also used the same palette to contour my face and as my highlighter as well. Yeah, this is pretty much good. I'm quite satisfied. Definitely a big thumbs up from my end. And here it is. If you have any queries regarding this look or this palette, you can reach me through my Instagram account, and also you can let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you. Ta-ta.